Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable One. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. Yes, if you are fine there, I am fine here. Welcome once again to my channel. I am Adorable One. Today I'm going to make black soup. These are my ingredients that I will use making the black soup. This is my black soup, okay? Black soup do darken skin. So these are my whitening soup. This is my whitening soup. Going to whiten soup. These are my also whitening soup too. Because I don't want my skin to get darkened. Okay, yes. This one are powders that I mix inside. Inside that container, I have a camwood powder. I have cinnamon powder. I have cocoa, that is coffee, cocoa beans. I have turmeric powder. I have sandalwood powder. And also have aloe vera powder inside here. This one is my coconut extract, okay? This one is my xanthan gum. I want to add xanthan gum to make it thick. Not too much thickened, but just a little thickened. And this my glycerin, which I will use to mix my xanthan gum. Okay, this is my fragrance. This is my chamomile extract and also turmeric extract inside here. Okay, then this one I have these are my oils that I will add inside. This is my sweet almond oil. This is inside there you have argan oil and the honey oil inside there. Okay, and this one is glycerin. Yes, that is my glycerin. Okay, and this is my preservative. This is my preservative. This is my honey. This is my honey. This one are miracle leaf extract, okay? And this one is this is eczema leaf extract, okay? That is inside there. I have a green tea extract here too. And also have there, and these are my shea butter, cocoa butter, okay? This is what is inside here. And this is my slow white oil we made last time to darken I don't want my skin to dark after using the product. So let's begin. I will add my soap. I will cut them a bit by bit like of. Okay, then I will add my whitening soap. So just start adding my things then. These are my powders. Okay. Then I'll add my honey. Okay. Let me add my slow white oil. The rest of the thing will be later. So let me add this one. Okay, going to be 200 batch. Let me add my onion. I'm adding onion. Glycerin too. There's my glycerin. I'm adding glycerin now. Yes. Preservative, I'll add my preservative now. All these ones I measure them. This is my shea butter. Extract. Adding my extract now. Okay. So what left here now is my fragrance. Fragrance and oil. Yes, I've added my preservative. I have added all other ingredients then. Okay. Also, I will add this. I will add the something gum. Okay. So let me cover it and keep for it to melt. Okay. So I'll keep it for let it melt before I continue. Okay. This is my something gum. So I want to mix it now. Okay, let's pour it inside our soup and mix it. Pour it and turn it little by little so it won't have any lumps inside. Okay, then I will add my fragrance. Wow. That's my oil. This is my oil. Okay, I've added all my ingredients. I will still cover it and keep for the xanthan gum to fully dissolve before I pour it or packet it. And so please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. So that our soup is ready. It's ready. I'm going to take the pH. Don't mind the foam or it will disappear with time. That is the pears of a soup. Hey, it came out 9.21. I won't drop anything. I will not drop the pears, so it's going to be like that. So let's pack it. So nice it looks like. I don't want it to stain this my white. Oh, the thickener is very nice. It's not too thick and it's not watery. Okay. Like this. Looking lovely. Okay. Oh man, I love this soup so much. This is the best of all my soup. This liquid soap can be used at any time, can be used in the morning, or it can be used in the evening. Okay? And so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like my video, share my video. So see you on my next video. Bye for now. Stay tuned. Stay well.